Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to delete the row or statement in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. So we have already entered the MySQL workbench. Okay, and here you can see the table with the details like the student roll number and the student name. Okay, so in our one of the previous video, like we saw like how to update the row in MySQL. In this particular video we'll see like how to delete the row or the statement from MySQL in the table. Okay, so now let's see. So here you can see already like student roll number and the student name. Okay, and now suppose if you want to delete any one of the row from these rows or from this table. Suppose here you can see the three different rows. Okay, so Ravi, John, and Kevin. Okay, suppose if you want to delete any one of the row. For example, if you want to delete the this particular row with the roll number 2 and the student name is John, means for that what you can do is like you can use the query delete, select delete from student details. Okay, so student details, this is the name of the table. Okay, so we are deleting from this particular table student details where student underscore roll number is equal to 2. Okay, so here we are deleting from the table student details where the student roll number is 2. Okay, because here we want to delete this particular row with the student name John. Okay, so we'll end with semicolon and we'll select this particular query or the code. Now we'll press Ctrl Enter. So now you can see delete from the student details where the student roll number 2. So that is one row is affected. Okay, so now let's try to check the student details table. So previously we had the three different rows, Pawan, John, and the Kevin. So now let's try to see. So here you can see there is only two rows and the first row with the Ravi and the third row with the Kevin. Okay, so one thing you can see is like here the number 2 is missing and the name uh, whatever the name, like previously I think John, there was some name with the John, and those are missing, and here the respective student number is retained as it is for the third row with the student roll number 3 and the student name is Kevin. Okay, so this is how you can delete the row or statement in MySQL. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.